Si Kuya Lazy.
May mabigat ka na bagay.
Eto na, si Kuya Lazy Allen. Alright. On the tower and dance. And sway your body. Yo. Yan o. Eh, syempre, kailangan may pakikot niya. Wow! Alright, thank you very much. Our next dance, before tayo mag-lead sa stage, antayin natin ang kapalit. This time, tawagin natin si Kuya Busy Bo. You know, kung kanina meron tayong Kuya Lazy Allen, eto naman si Kuya Busy Bone. Ayan, oo. Yun! Pinaikot na. And syempre, thank you very much. And next dance, let's go na to Grandpa June. Palakparan naman natin lahat. Ito na si Grandpa June. Ang daming pagsu. Ayan na, Grandpa June. It's your turn na po. Ayan na! Ayan talaga ang hinihintay dyan. Iyon! Palakpakan naman natin si Grandpa June. Siyempre, ito naman ang ating next dance. Picture. Kailangan makuha na lahat ng picture yan. And our next dance, let's call on to Butchoy. Ayan. It's your turn po.
Tama na, tapos yan.
Alright, thank you very much, Tito Butchoy. And our next dance, let's call it to Tito John Mark.
Pala si Ekoy pala. Si Ekoy pala. Kasama dyan.
Yeah, thank you very much, Tito John Mark. And our next dance is Tito Epoy. Eto na si Tito Epoy.
Ano pero sila Kin? Ang daming mga wala. Hindi pari.
Yeah, and of course. Yeah, and of course, our most special dance. Let's call it to Papa Patrick. Yeah, palakpakan naman natin lahat, everyone. For another dance. And syempre, once again, guys, ini-invite ko ulit lahat ng ating 7 Roses for a groupie picture. Kasama naman lahat ng 7 Roses natin. Guys, come on! Ayan, lapit ulit tayo dito sa una. Kasama ang ating celebrant dito sa stage. Ayan, tawagin ulit natin. Si Kuya Lazy Allen, Kuya Busy Bone, Grandpa June, Tito Butchoy, Tito John Mark, at Tito Epoy. Ayan, ingat lang po sa stage. Medyo mataas yan.
One more po, closer na ta, closer. Okay, one more lang po ha.
Alright, thank you very much. Once again, guys, palakpakan naman natin our 7 Roses. Alright, so there you have it. Tapos na kagad ang isa nating program, guys. And of course, next off, ayan, let's move on to 7 Treasures. Ayan. And syempre guys, dito sa ating 7 Treasures, kailangan may mga naihanda kayong messages or wishes to our celebrant. Or kung gusto nyo, if ever, explain nyo kung ano yung gift nyo, ayan, kung ano ba yung value ng gift. Bakit nyo binigay ito Bianca? Okay? So, ready? Treasures with birthday message. Alright, so let's do this. And first treasure, let's call it to Chanel Aquino. Ayan. Kaya kailangan hanapin daw muna yung gift. Yung pinaka, oh, yung laki nga. Ang laki ng gift. Yan. Siyempre, kailangan meron niyang message si Chanel. Ngayon, dito ka po. Yan. And of course, what do you want to say to...
Happy birthday, Ate Bianca. I wish you to be strong and healthy and be a good girl when you grow up.
Wow! Very well said, Chanel. Oh. Alright, thank you very much. Yan ang ating first treasure. And next, let's call it to Blake Monte de Ramos. Eto na. Ako, ito pala yung mga backup dancers mo kanina. Yan, bilig, ingat, bilig. And of course,
Happy birthday, Seven Bianca. This treasure, I'll put your drawing.
palakpakan naman natin. Wow! Yun, di ba? Yun, got it right. Ayan, you know, thank you very much, yeah, Blake. And next treasure, let's call it to Cassie and Callie.
Bianca, thank you for always being kind to me. Stay strong and happy birthday.
Palakpakan naman natin.
Sila? Saan sila pala?
Tinuruan na niya.
Tinuruan ni Juan. Ano yun?
Yay!
I trust
Poy, ilan taon na si Kuya O? Mga 45 to, no? 46.
46.
46?
48 na si Kuya.
Palakpakan naman natin yan. Alright, syempre picture. Winnie Bianca. Ayan, di ba? Kompleto ang paliwanag para sa gift. Ayan, kay Bianca, nadinig nyo naman lahat yun. Naintindihan nyo naman lahat yun, ha? Ayan. Alright, and of course, for our next treasure, let's go to Angel Camille. Ayan, Angel.
Wala pa.
Ay, wala pa.
Malapit na. 5 minutes.
Later na lang
Last
si
na lang
Angel.
siya, last na lang.
Ayan. Alright, so next off, let's go to Dos Salvatore. Ayan.
Baby Dos!
Ako, mukhang madami naghihintay dito.
Dos!
Mukhang masyadong mataas ang expectation dito kay Dos. Lumilipad o. Lumilipad o. Asopi ba yan? Ito na, Dos, mahirap. Punta kaya, Bianca.
Para sa tatay, mas tatay.
Para sa tatay na. Adas!
Naiyak, sasaya.
Happy birthday, Ate Bianca. Thank you for playing with Dodgy every day. We love you.
Palakpakan naman natin yan. Iyon, sa sobrang saya. Tears of joy, joy yan eh. Sa sobrang saya, speechless si Dos. Ayan, tapos naging boses babae si Dos. Ayan. Ayan, nahiya na tuloy yun. Alright, thank you very much, Dos. And next, natin naman, tawagin natin ang ating next treasure, Zamara. Wow!
Umagal ang katawan.
Tayo ka na lang.
Happy birthday, Bianca. Nagkita ko sa'yo. Love you.
Yun! Di ba? Ayan, parang may kumikimot-kimot pa ba nag-wish, no? Kung totoo yan, na! Go, Samara, go! Ready, Samara, hit it! Walang duda! Ayan pa! Oh! Thank you very much! Ayan, Samara. Pag nakadinig ng tunog, no? Automatic pala yun. Parang yung di ba, pag bino, O, play ulit. Alright, viewers, next treasure. Let's call it to Tito Maki.
Ano? Yan pala yung upo natin.
Huli na lang. Doon, may nauna kasi din. Di ba
Bianca, happy birthday, happy 7th birthday. And we all wish that you grow up as kind as you are right now. And lovely as always. And Tito Mac loves you. And everybody here loves you. Remember that, okay? Love you.
Palakpakan naman natin lahat.
Ready, 1, 2, here.
Yan, thank you very much. And mahirap, Tito Maki, stay right there. Tawagin ulit natin ang ating 7 treasures. Come on guys, group picture. Apa, ayan. Once again, tawagin ulit natin ang ating 7 treasures. Ayan, Janelle, Blake, Cassie and Kali, Dos, and Samara.
Pwede babalikan na lang mamaya.
Yan, oh.
Ba't si Bakpak na papunta? Buwan mo ito. Ano mo lagi?
Okay, ready, look here. Ate Bianca, look here. Lahat yan. Okay, one more.
Ayun. Ayun ito.
Closer na, closer pa, closer.
And of course, and guys, don't forget, mayroon po tayong photo booth. Yung photo booth po natin is officially open na po. If you want, pwede po kayong pumunta dyan sa ating veranda na yan. Punta lang po kayo dyan for groupie picture. Ready na po, nandiyan na po yung operator natin. And next off, eto naman, dito naman po tayo sa ating next.
Huli mo na lang yung blue bills. Huli mo na lang yung blue bills. Wala pa yun.
Alright, ito naman ang ating next program which is 7 Sweets. Ayan, dito naman tayo sa ating 7 Sweets. So, just like 7 Treasures Kids, if you want, meron din tong birthday message. Alright, so let's do this everyone. At 7 Sweet, let's start with Trina Monton. Ayan, nasa na ang ating first sweets. Trina, ay wow, ang daming gift. Oh, ingat baby. Yan.
Happy birthday, Bianca. Bless you. Love you.
Wow, ang sweet naman oh.
Bianca, Bianca. One more.
Blue bills yan.
Alright, thank you very much, Trina. And of course, our next sweet is Evans Baguio.
Happy birthday, Bianca. Thank you for inviting us all to your birthday party. God bless you and your family. Happy birthday.
Palakpakan naman natin.
Ready, look here.
salamat. And next tweet is Riley Recueda. Riley. Tama ba? Riley. Alright, ito na si Riley. Ayan o.
Eh, si ano yung kaibigan nito isa? Wala. Ay, sabi ko, pupunta na naman yun. Tapos wala na naman sila.
I hope you will be good. Thank you for inviting us in your party. And God bless you and all your family.
Palakpakan naman natin. Yun! Thank you very much, Riley. Oh. Alright, thank you very much. And our next tweet is Zoe Ebsor. Ayan, Zoe Ebsor. Alright, later na daw si Zoe. Eto na lang ang ating next tweet is Dave Bautista. Yun.
Happy birthday, Bianca. Happy 7th birthday. And we wish you God bless. And we pray for you every day. Thank you.
Palakpakan naman.
Kapagpahay namin.
Alright, thank you very much, Dave. And next week is Gia Castro.
Sino yun?
Ayan, Gia.
Hindi pala kasama yung pangalan.
I wish your family is great and
Hindi, I mean, hindi nila sinama sa lista.
mabait to your family. God bless. Thank you.
Pero wala nga.
Palakpakan naman. Ayan, good job, Gia.
Ano pala? Ang dami pala sobrang pagkain. Hindi na, pero nabibilang ko pa kasi ang dami wala.
Alright, then our last week, let's go to Javi.
10 ba?
Sampu pa ba? 18 nga yung
Hindi, magkano ba yung sa ano ito?
60 natin.
Hindi, magkano yung sa
Ayan, nandiyan ba si Javi?
7,000?
Ayun.
Ilan tao yun? Tapos ilan yung pinasok mo?
10.
Oo nga, 60 nga.
Pero wala ko. Pero ito ko sige mo na yan.
Hindi, parang ano?
Teka, pauwi ata, pauwi. Mali pala ng daan.
Okay.
Yun, thank you very much, Javi. Look at the camera and smile, Javi. Wait, stay right there. Tawagin ulit natin ang ating 7 sweets. Ayan. Picture groupie tayo dito kasama si Bianca. Alright, now, once again, let's call it to Trina, Evans, Riley, Dave, and Shia. Yun, oh. Alright, kids, 7 sweets, closer to each other. And look at the camera and smile.
Okay, ready? End of the year. One more.
Oh, automatic, oh, nakapost agad, oh, si Javi, oh. Oh, oh.
Mana sa tatay. Mana sa tatay yan eh.
Pahala sa tatay, ah.
Oh?
Oh. Alright, that's it. Thank you very much once again. Palakpakan naman natin ang ating 7 sweets. Oh. Thank you very much. Yeah, 7 sweets. And next up, ito, tutuloy na natin to sa ating next program, which is 7 candles. Ayan, with message dito, guys. Ayan. Ako, ready na natin ang candles natin. Ayan.
Andito po, meron na po sila. Apo.
Alright, 7 candles, here we go. Tuloy na natin to, and syempre, wishes guys, don't forget that. And of course, our next candle, let's call it to Ninang Raya. Yan, yan kasi.
Happy birthday, Bianca. I hope you stay kind and healthy, and I hope you had a fun day today. Love you.
Yan, oh, lumibot na.
Bianca, your eyes. Bianca,
Yun, oh, thank you very much, Nina Mariah. And of course, next candle is Tita Abby Mendoza.
Happy birthday, Bianca. May your day filled with loves. May God bless you always. And stay sweet, kind, and loving kid. We love you.
Palakpakan naman natin yan.
Ano ba, boss?
Alright, thank you very much, Tita Abby. And of course, our next candle is Tita Mavic.
Hi Bianca, happy birthday. We wish you good health. May God bless you and may all your wishes come true.
Thank you very much, Tita Mavic. And of course, next candle, Tito Romel Monton.
Bianca, happy blessed 7th birthday to you. May the Lord Almighty grant what your heart desires. We love you and hope you enjoy your day.
Palakpakan naman natin. Ayan, thank you very much, Tito Romel. And next couple is Tito Daryl. Ay, si Lolo Jun may pakurot pa eh.
Ang laki na ni Dos ah. Ang laki na ni Dos.
Ayan.
Lagi na, liit lang eh.
Birthday. Wish you all the best life. Sana lumaki ka ng mabuti at behalf of all of us. Thank you for inviting us.
Ang laki na ni Dos.
Iyon! Thank you very much, yan, Tito Darrell. Ang laki na daw ni Dos.
Yung tatuho yun oh. Ang galing ah.
Thank you very much. And next couple is Grandma Celia. Ayan, sa mga hindi nakakalam, si Grandma Celia po ay nagmamayari ng 2 branch ng Jollibee. Ayan.
Birthday, Auntie
Hindi ka naiintindihan mo.
Ako, wish ko na good at time, be kind always. Love you.
Yun lang?
Bro, bro. Kiss mami, Bianca.
Dagdagan mo, Jeng. Dagdagan mo.
Gusto ka na, si. Tayo ano naman dyan eh. Bigay ka na.
Yun! Ay!
Kulang pa
Grandma
yung-
Celia!
Kulang pa yung pera.
Oo, kulang pa daw yung message nyo. Pwede daw po ba pakiulit? Hindi, joke lang.
Yung pera kulang
Thank you
pa.
very much, Yana. And syempre next, ito na ang ating last candle. Tawagin natin si Lola Lorna Aquino.
Happy birthday, anak. Wish you good health. And be kind always. Stay pretty and God bless your family. I love you, Bianca.
Palakpakan naman natin yan. Alright, then of course, once again guys, ayan ang ating 7 candles. Invite ulit natin ang ating participants sa 7 candles. Guys, grouping picture po. Dito po, kasama si Bianca sa unahan. Once again, tawagin natin. Lala, stay lang po kayo sa tabi ni Bianca. Mag-grouping picture po tayo. Ayan, once again, Ninang Raya, Tita Abby, Tita Mavic, ayan, Tito Romel, Tito Daryl, and Grandma Celia. Ayan, dito po tayo sa stage.
Ready, 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more na po, one more. 1, 2, 3, and walk it, walk it.
Yun o, palakpakan naman natin everyone ang ating 7 candles. Alright, so this is it guys. Ito na, nandito na tayo sa ating final
Pakita ko ka. Tapos hindi tayo tapos. After naman. Okay.
Alright, so guys, here we go. Ito na ang ating final program, which is 7 Blue Bills. Ayan. Eto, gano'n na. Siyempre, may message din dapat to guys ha, sa 7 Blue Bills natin. Ha? Alright? So, right after ng 7 Blue Bills, guys, ready na tayo for eating time. Ayan, so, and then right after ng eating time, games tayo and magic show. And don't forget guys, meron tayong photo booth plus meron din tayong face painting sa labas naman po siya. Okay, punta lang po kayo dyan. Alright, so let's do this. Our final program, 7 Blue Bills, and let's start with Ninong Jerome.
Kaya nagkain ko ako. Bulacan. Ay, tama ko. Tama ko.
Ayan, nasaan? Nandito na si Ninong Jerome.
Ay, nanak, magandang gabi. Happy birthday, nanak. Kilala mo ba ako, nanak? Hindi? Pare, di mo pala kilala, pare. Okay, wish you, nanak. Happy birthday sa'yo. Salamat sa invite, ha. Almost 7 years tayo hindi nagkita. So, cash ko lang sa nanak, ha. Dahil birthday mo, almost 7 years tayo hindi nagkita. What? Ilan na? Ay, nanak, happy birthday sa'yo, nanak. Hindi ko palang kilala, nanak. Ngayon, kilala mo na ba, nanak, kaya na?
Nagsunod na siya pero ano, may isa.
Ayan, now Bianca, don't forget Ninong Jerome, ha? Ayan. Ito din yan, Bianca. Ayan. Okay na, mami, daddy, nakabawi na tayo. Yun, oh! Alright, thank you very much. Palakpakan naman natin guys, Ninong Jerome. Ayan. And next Blue Bill, Tito Brian.
Happy birthday, Aki. Just enjoy your day. Huwag mo na buksan, ha? Lugi ata ko kay Ninong Jerome, eh. Huwag mo na buksan yan.
Ayun na nga, ang hirap ng sundan nun. Yan! Thank you very much! Yan ang ating second Blue Bill, Tito Brian, and next, our third Blue Bill, let's go on to Tito Wilsel. Ay, iba bilang kita kanina eh.
Happy birthday, Bianca. Love you.
Bianca, bilangin mo, Bianca! Bianca, bilangin mo!
Open, Bianca, open.
Bianca, magkano? Malapit isang tayo.
Ayan, oh, may wishes pa sa loob. Ayan, dinoble check pa ni Daddy. Oh. 5 yun, oh. Ang daming pinipilan dun eh. Pag suksok, card lang pala. Ayan. Oh. Ayan. And syempre, thank you very much. Ayan. Tito Wilsel. And our next Blue Bill is Tita Donna May.
wish, of course, good health and be always kind to mama and to your papa. Don't give it to mommy, You give it for yourself.
Ayan. Don't forget that, Bianca, ha? Don't give it daw to mommy. Just keep it to yourself daw. Ayan. Naku, mami, dati di makakapag-limit. Of course, thank you very much, Tita Donovic. And next Bluebill is Tita Karen K. Alright, ito na nga siyempre si Tita. Ano dyan? Ah, ito na.
Hi, Ate Anki. Happy birthday. Wish namin sa'yo is good health and the big picture and the way mommy and daddy always. And we love you. Happy birthday.
Palakpakan naman natin yan. And syempre, ayan, si Tita Angel, sila din po yung kulang sa ating 7 treasures. Ayan. Ayan si Angel. Alright, thank you very much, guys. Ayan. And of course, next Bluebill is Tita Rufa.
Happy birthday, Bianca. And always remember to keep smiling and be brave. Good friend, I always we love you. Waiting and because I always there for you. So I love you. Be brave always. I don't cry.
Here on. Okay, wait here. 1, 2, 1 more.
Yon, thank you very much, Tita Rufa. And of course, our last Bluebill is Tita Rochelle.
Hi Bianca, happy 7th birthday. I wish you good health and always remember that we love you always and we are here to support you. And please make sure to always obey your mommy and daddy. I love you.
Ready, look here. 1, 2. One more, one more.
Yon, thank you very much, Tita Rochelle. Wait lang. Once again pala, tawagin rin natin yung ating 7 Bluebills for a grouping picture. Ayan guys, para may remembrance tayo. Ayan, tawagin natin 7 Bluebills. Siyempre, Ninong Jerome, Tito Brian, Tito Wilcel, Tita Donna May, ayan, Tita Karen, and Tita Rupa. Ayan. Guys, groupie picture with Bianca. Ingat guys, ayan, medyo mataas yung stage natin.
Okay, ready? 1, 3. One more pa, one more. Head closer lang po tayo. Eh, walk
Iyon! Palakpakan naman natin lahat guys. Ayan ang ating 7 Bluebills. Alright. already dinner time na. So i-pause muna natin yung programs natin. Tuloy natin right after kumain. Siyempre, meron tayong games, magic show, and blowing ng candle. Mamaya po yan. But this time, kainan muna. Ang gagawin natin ganito. Ay, gantay mo lang first.
Wala.
Wala ba?
Sige, tulo-tulo na lang.
Alright, so na guys, ito na gagawin natin. Siyempre, per table po tayo. Before tayo mag-proceed sa ating buffet table, mag-grouping picture muna tayo. Per table, kasama si Bianca dito. Dito na lang po tayo sa unahan. And then right after the picture taking, ayan, you can go grab your food na po para hindi tayo makongest doon sa ating buffet. Okay, so first table guys, come on, grouping picture with Bianca. Per table po. And syempre guys, after ng groupie picture, kuha na po kayo ng food menu. Ayan. And syempre, pakiguide natin po ng chikiting nyo. Ayan, sa buffet table. Ayan. Ayan, groupie picture. Closer guys. Yan! Thank you very much guys. Kuha na po kayo ng food ninyo ha. Ayan. And next table guys, it's your turn. Kayo naman po. Guys, come on. Ayan, ayan. Alright, so groupie picture, guys. Yan.
Pero kailangan upo ka doon sa may side.
Ayan, pag hindi kasya guys, upo tayo dito sa stage.
Yan. Okay, ready. Look here. One, look here.
When I met you in the summer,
One more.
so my heart beat sound. We fell in love as the leaves turn brown.
Alright, thank you very much guys. Kuha na po kayo ng food ninyo. And syempre guys, kayo naman po.
You act so innocent now, but you lied so soon. When I met you in the summer.
Habang Mexi pa pila. Habang Mexi pa.
Yan ah! Closer guys! And body shot! Yun oh! That's it guys! Wala kayo ng food
so soon.
Wait lang po ah. One more po, head closer na, head closer. And walking.
Alright, so guys, kung na po kayo ng photo nyo, nasa yung next table natin?
Ito. Next table po.
Ito tayo dumaan. Mas maganda.
Okay, ready po. Yeah. Okay na po? Okay, ready. Look here. One, okay, one more. Head closer na po. Head closer. And walking.
Alright guys, come on, go get your food na po. And next table. Picture! Look at the camera, it's fine. Alright, so that's it guys. Next.
Kaya ba ito? Okay na.
Okay, 1,
Ate nyo doon,
One shot! Yun, oh, wow, ang sweet naman, ha? And next, guys, kayo naman po. Ayan, diyan ka. One more picture na lang.
Off to my city, off to my home. We're flying up no ceiling, we're making no sound.
Look at the camera and smile. Alright, so that's it, everyone. Nakapagpatake na ng picture lahat. Siyempre, guys, ayan, kain muna tayo. Right after nyo kumain, tuloy natin yung program natin. Games, magic show, and blowing ng candle. Mamaya yan. So enjoy your food and eat well.
Wala sigat pa. Ken. Buwan mo. Ah. Masama mo si...